thought you said you don't bake.
As you can tell by my physique, I eat a lot of baking.
The bizcocho, it's very technical, and there's nowhere to hide.
My food dream is to open up a dessert bar. I make pastries all the time, but not in the confines of 65 minutes. So that's going yesterday.
Now, the key with a good English breakfast is really timing. Cook the English muffin.
Never made an English muffin before. You cook it on the stovetop. It's a tricky one.
Fried bacon that is crispy. Eggs that's sunny side up, not overcooked, not undercooked. Hand-sauteed mushrooms. Blood sausage.
Oh!
And if you have the heat too high, that blood sausage, under all that heat and pressure, can simply explode.
The blood sausage exploded. This could cost me the competition.
They look like ground beef.
I'm toast. Toast.
Don't sweat it, dude. Just think of the next right thing, okay?
Let's get everything
Just
else
keep
right.
moving. Just keep
Get
moving.
everything else right. That's
Yep.
it.
I am not ready to go home.
15 minutes. You only have 15 minutes left.
The most difficult element of the congee is blind cooking it. It looks really good.
Chanelle is the first one to open up a pressure cooker.
I'm burning my fingers.
Push through it.
Yeah, push through it, bud.
This thing just totally screwed me. When I look into the pressure cooker, it's soup.
You gotta reduce the hell out of that right now.
So I decided to just jam the lid back on, cook it as long as I possibly can.
Looks like someone's going to school without breakfast today, Alvin.
5 minutes. We want breakfast served in 5 minutes.
Oh, that's too hot, too hot, too hot.
My pan is too hot. I have to take them off the heat and try to salvage them the best I can. There's just no time left.
Does that look cooked to you?
All right. Ouch.
Oh no, look at Chanelle's bizcochos. They look more like breadsticks.
Congee, check. English breakfast, check.
1 more minute. You have 1 more minute left.
1 minute, guys.
Just get it down, guys.
I still haven't even opened up this pressure cooker again. So I'm definitely worried it's not even gonna get done.
Hot, 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 hot.
10 seconds, guys. Come on.
9,
Come on,
8,
get everything
7,
right, you guys.
6, 5, 4,
got this.
3,
Come on,
2,
come on.
1. Hands up. Hey, Cryssi.
Hello, chef.
Oh my God, Chef Alvin's going to taste my first ever congee. I'm feeling the pressure on that one.
Have you made any congee in your time?
Oh no.
First time you made it, eh?
Yes.
I don't believe you.
Oh,
Because you got the taste spot on.
oh my gosh, thank
Okay?
you, Chef.
You got the saltiness coming from the soy sauce, acidity coming from the vinegar. The Shaoxing wine is gonna give it a nice complexity. And then the star anise hits just slightly, not too much. The only thing is the chili sauce maybe is a little bit messy, but this is a congee that I can eat over and over again.
Means the world to me, Chef. Thank you.
What do you think, Josh?
But I think all the elements are there.
Is this all the chickens there?
No, there should be 3 pieces in there somewhere.
I will take your word for it. The congee is too thin. And what happened is the topping has sunken in. But you know what? Taste is...
It's king, yeah.
It's a little bit on the light side, to the extent almost bland. So remember, taste your food.
Yes, Chef.
Eugene,
Chef,
you got the texture spot on,
thank you, Chef.
but you gave us 2 shivs. The replication only calls for 1. The seasoning, good. Only problem, balance.
Balance.
Too much star anise, you get a bad, bitter aftertaste at the end. It's overpowering.
Yes, Chef.
Hi, Chanelle.
Hey, chef.
How do you think you did on the congee?
I'm pretty happy with it.
Overall, it looks pretty good. Consistency is very important for congee, and I think you nailed it.
Thank you, Chef.
The taste of all the different elements, it's all there, and it's good, but a touch on the light side.
Oh, okay.
Okay? It's a very, very good effort.
Thank you, Chef.
I definitely think my congee's on the bottom, but the classic English breakfast, I feel the most confident about. Right now, it's a game of inches.
Hi there, Cryssi.
Hello, Chef.
I do love a good, proper English breakfast. English muffin. Great color on the outside, and that light, pillowy, fluffy filling in the center. Very nice. You have a good piece of the black sausage there. I can't resist a little of that blood sausage with the English muffin. That's a great way to start the day. 2 eggs, sunny side up. The pan, I would say, was a little too hot because you could see a little of the browning at the edge of that egg white. The pan doesn't have to be very hot. The albumin, the egg white, takes very little heat for it to start to coagulate or firm up. And this white here is underdone.
Yeah.
So that's a shame. Thank you. Hi there, Josh.
Chef Michael?
So let's take a look at the muffin. Nice golden brown on the outside, just a tad on the darker side on the back, and just look at those gorgeous little air bubbles. Fabulous. The blood pudding is lacking just a little bit of color on the outside. Let's see how it tastes. You're lucky. I thought, given the outside of that sausage, I would have thought it would have been a slightly bit underdone. But that heat must have just percolated through, just for you. Look at that. That says good morning.
Thank you, Chef.
Thank you.
Fuck, buddy.
Hi there, Rozin.
Hi there, Chef.
Which aspect of my English breakfast gave you the biggest challenge, Rozin?
The blood pudding.
You had that pan way too high in temperature, and that sausage just burst. But on the bright side, gorgeous golden brown color to the English muffin. Light, fluffy, that is a great English muffin. And this egg, perfectly done. Perfect texture.
Thank you, Chef.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi there, Chanelle.
Hi, Chef.
Let's start off with the English muffin. Good golden brown color. It's a little more dense. The little air holes are just a little on the small side. Your blood sausage looks a little slimmer. Did you squeeze any of the filling out? It just came out on its own. Certainly not perfect. 2 eggs, sunny side up. Let's see if that egg yolk is just the way I like them. Just a little on the overside. Thank you.
It's hard for me to gauge who's the best right now because everyone has faults.
Making 3 breakfasts takes a wide range of skills.
There was one home cook who created a trio of dishes that would make all 3 of us jump out of bed. Congratulations, Cryssi.
Please take off your apron, head to the gallery.
I'm top 5. It feels too good to be true.
Josh, Rozin, and Chanelle, you all performed admirably, but each of you made mistakes.
We had to carefully weigh all the missteps on your plates. It was a very difficult decision for us, and sadly, we feel we have to say goodbye to Rozin.
Josh, the overall quality of your 3 breakfasts puts you ahead just by a hair. And Chanelle, your congee just managed to save you. You can both take off your aprons and head up to the gallery.
Dude.
It's okay, man. Don't worry.
Surviving my first pressure test, definitely a sigh of relief.
I'm really grateful that the judges see something in me. I absolutely need to step up my game.